Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. Today I'm going over the Hoto precision screwdriver set. It's the 24-in-1. You can find it on Amazon right now at $26.99. It lists at $39.99, but sometimes you can get it as cheap as around $17. So it comes in with S2 steel bits with a magnetic holder inside of it. The steel bits have a 60 HRC hardness, and they do have a anti-corrosion coating on them. The overall unit is a aluminum alloy body. Like I said, magnetic bit storage, 12 pieces with 4 Phillips heads, 2 flat heads, 4 hex, 8 torques, a U, a Y, a W, a T-wing shaped, triangular, and pentagon bits. So it's a solid little precision screwdriver. You can see the size comparison to a Sharpie. Holds the bits in nice. I mean, it's very comfortable in the hand. I like the fact that it's a little on the wide side, so you can get quite a bit of torque on it. The tail cap spins, so I'll put a link down in the description. But yeah, I mean, if you're not carrying this in your EDC toolkit, if you're working on knives, you're working on computers, you should definitely have this. I mean, it has, 8 Torx bits, double-sided. If you're working on your computers or on your knives, you definitely need to have Torx bits laying around. I mean, you can fix watches, you can fix glasses, computers. It has just about every bit you could possibly need in this one compact little screwdriver. So yeah, there you have it. Like I said, right now on Amazon, $26.99. I'll leave the link down in the description. Definitely recommend picking one up. So, as always, thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you next time.